our truth with a bitter bite.
But we held hands through the storm and flame. Now the stars sing out our name.
They built their thrones on broken trust, fed their greed with sacred dust. But the wind has turned, the tide has cried, and their empire sweetly died.
Oh, the sweet sound of justice rings like crystal bowls and angel wings. Their cries of music soft and low, a lullaby for letting go.
We danced in silence all the way. They laughed while sealing their own fate. Now monk bells chime, the truth is clear. We're the song
They always fear.
no need for fire, no need for war.
Just echoes through the temple door.
We rise like dawn, we shine like rays. Their shadows can't erase our face. Oh, on the sweet sound of justice new, I come in the chat once more.
Right room in the chapel sing. The tears fall songs on sacred graves. As the bell echoed the space.
Justice rings, bridegroom in the chapel sings. Their tears fall soft on sacred grace. The other bells echo the space.